two ways to make money in 2024. And this is not a bragging. I know a lot of people will be telling you that it's not possible to make money online, but I'm telling you that this is what I've seen. I've witnessed it and it's working. People are making thousands, millions of money on internet. So don't allow anybody to deceive you. So two ways you can make money online. Number one is blogging. Blogging means that you create a page either on Google, you can create on Google, you can create Instagram page, you can create Facebook page, you can create YouTube page and post other people's content on these pages. When people engage with it, get a lot of views, a lot of comments, the platform will pay you for the engagement. So it's as simple as that. You can create the page and bring other people's products, other people's information and post it there, and you will make money. Another way you can make money through blogging is when you are able to influence a lot of people through your blogging. So people, products, brands tends to reach out to you for you to advertise their product for you. So that way you can charge for how much you are going to advertise their product. So that's another way of making money through blogging. So it's a very good way. People are making millions of money. Don't listen to people. Don't listen to negative people because they will not allow you to progress. So take my advice today. Start your blogging and start making money. Number two is content creation. Content creation, it's one of the ways that people make money now, and they are making loads of money, millions from content creation. And how do you do content creation? You can create a YouTube channel, you can create a Facebook channel, and when you create this channel, you upload your original videos. What do I mean by original video? Anything you have talent about, anything you are passionate about, or anything you see people doing and you feel like you want to pour your heart out on those particular field, pouring it out in a video form, and you are uploading it on your channel, your Facebook channel and your YouTube channel. When people engage with it, they engage with those information you put there, they engage with those stuff you put there on your YouTube channel and Facebook, YouTube, they get to pay you when you reach monetization stage. I need to tell you this. It is not when you start posting, you start making money. You need to get to a certain level, a certain threshold. You need to obey some rules when it comes to content creation on those platforms before you start making money. But as long as you're able to achieve those levels, I bet you the truth, the rest of the story is happiness. You're going to enjoy money. You're going to enjoy money. And telling you, this is a nice way to make money. So don't listen to negative people. You can make money online if you go through these my two things, two ways of making money online. So see you guys next time. Please try and make sure you share this video, like it, and also comment so that you would tell me which area I should make video on next time. So see you in the next video. Peace out.